Alright guys, so we're on our way to a restaurant called Cenacolo, Puerto, Cancun. It's supposed to be a fine dining restaurant. Trust me, it took us about, how long to figure out where we're going? 2 days to figure out what restaurant we wanted to go to, right? Yes, babe, from yesterday. Anyway, so it's a really nice restaurant, great scenes and stuff, and we'll catch you guys there. I forgot to introduce a vlog. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. My girl is looking good, so I want to forget stuff, right? So, yo, we are in the hotel zona, so it's gonna get great. All right, babe, let's go. This, I tell people all the time, this is it's Jamaica, but like foreign. Straight up, all the stuff right here. We're seeing Starbucks, some fashion, there's a Mac store, there's so many different, Steve Madden. Yeah, but where we're going is just across from the marina. You should be able to get a good view of the sea and stuff like that, so it's not bad. So we have arrived at Cenacolo. Good choice, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and they're Puerto Cancun. Oh, it's nice. It's real nice. Hola. Sí. In here was a In here was a great choice. Yo, it's classy, looks good, the vibe is great. Ooh, and there's outdoor seating, which is what I want. It's up to you, baby. Alright, so Judah's reaction is wow, so that's enough. But that's enough. I am happy with that. We did go through, as I said before, like several options, but I knew she wanted to dress up and stuff, so it was about a nice place with a good view that can match our body, and with seafood, and yeah. This is different, you know, it's definitely different. I'll show you guys, you know, a quick view of the marina. Hey, the food smells good. Right, babe?
Dirty.
Trust me, the food smells so good, bruh. So we just ordered dinner, which I think is going to be very dynamic. You guys will enjoy that type of entertainment, and Judah will enjoy it as well. And these aren't bad. 150 pesos. This is like maybe about $7 US about, which is not bad. In Jamaica, we're spending way more than that. I'm just kind of worried because my card has been acting up. But I had my friend sort it out for me, so it should be okay, you know, hopefully. And yeah, these are not bad. I like how they, yeah, this is really fine dine. I enjoy what I'm seeing here. Yep. Alright guys, yeah, the food came here, but we didn't even see when it come cause I don't know. 10 million picture I take. So we got this, I don't know what this is, but it seems like there's some sauce, creamy thing. Wow. Baby, you gotta try this. Wow.
It smells like extra dish sauce.
Kinda. The flavor is intense. Wow.
Let me get you this again.
Ready? Alright, so it's just a very fancy little bread. To be quite honest, not really that bread, but I don't know what they call this thing.
It's like a roti.
Yeah, it's like a roti. Nice creamy cheese, and this is like a escovitch. You know, nice spicy kick to it. You like it? Yeah, trust me, you can tell when a restaurant is good when they start off with very interesting bread. Like when it's not just regular rolls or whatever. Yeah,
It's made with enough love.
Enough love. Gracias. Okay, so it's a filet mignon. But here's the part that I want to see, the cheese wheel. Wow, that's cool. So it's like they brought a whole kitchen to us. The vibe.
Este va al centro, chiquitín.
Wow. So that's Judah's dish. Let's take a look at what it looks like. Okay.
Un poquito lo vamos a pasar aquí. Would you like to put a little Parmesan cheese here? Can we add it? Sí, adelante. Ponle que se prende.
All right. That's a vibe.
Jóvenes, buen apetito, ¿eh?
Thank you.
It's huge.
Okay.
Yep. Go.
Ready?
Sí.
Suculento la palabra, ya que
Wow.
No, otra cosa.
Yo.
Jóvenes, enjoy.
Thank you.
Drama. That's crazy. Well, anyway, I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat. As I was saying, yo, to Judah, the steak is really small. It's a good thing that we did get the pasta as well, so it's like a bit more filling. But yo, food looks good, smells good. It's a vibe. It's really good, right, babe?
It is.
My gosh.
And the potatoes are just so soft and nice. I'm not a big potato fan, but wow.
Good.
Yeah.
Yo, everything on this plate right here, I could easily become a vegan. Like, I don't even know what this is, if it's a butter squash or what, but it's nice. And then yo, this pasta is really good. It's perfectly al dente. The sauces aren't overpowering. I mean, man, it's really good. I'm not even trying to exaggerate here. Wow. The birds are around there.
I'm gonna wonder. You know I don't like when people play with my drinks.
Yo, the glass extra. But I got a sangria. Yep, it's a vibe. I love them thing here. Let me tell you, Mexico is my second home. Like, there's no doubt in it. You know, the guy came, the waiter came and he was like, "Sir, I'd like to know, you know, the lady's name," and which is so awesome, you know. It's not like some people probably just go over and like, "What's your name?" and whatever, you know. He asked me as, you know, her man, you know. So anyway, because you know, he said it was her birthday, so they're going to be doing something for her birthday. I don't know what it is, but you know, much appreciated. Let me tell you, I've been to a lot of restaurants in my life, not many fine dine, but quite a few, and this one made me feel definitely fine dine. I mean, the food proportions are very small, but it's filling and it tastes good.
What a song name? Really? Oh shit, it's opposite. Never mind. Oh my gosh! When it cut.
Hey, thanks guys. Awesome. So that's how my girlfriend's name is spelled, guys. Please, people always spell it J-U-D-A or some other stuff. So
There's an H. Read your Bible, kids. Read your Bible.
for hot. Alright, it's a vibe. So it's a flan, something that I like. I think it's just a flan, I believe, yeah. Ooh, that's sticky. That's sticky icky. It's not bad.
I'm not into soft textures. You'd love this. But the flavor.
That's why we stay hard, baby.
The flavors are really It's funny.
Alright, so let me say that dinner interaction, everything was a complete 10 out of 10. Like a 1 hour. But yeah, it's a complete 10 out of 10. It's a vibe here, the marina, the atmosphere. Back there's 2020. If I don't get the chance to, you know, tell you guys that personally, or happy 2020 whenever it comes, is in my 2020 vision. I don't know. But anyway, really great vibe. I know Judah liked it and I loved it, you know. So
That was really good.
yeah. But anyway guys, we're gonna walk around the, it's like a mall here. I'll show you guys, you guys don't want to see my face. So it's like a mall here where there's just a lot of stores. Maybe the stores are locked now. Dude, I almost shop again. Yeah. Yeah, but oh, there's a Haagen-Dazs, babe.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So we're gonna walk around the stores a little bit, even though they might be locked, and I'll get back to you guys soon. I gotta do X, baby.
No, I want it small.
I'm not trying to make it small, that's other.
Cute.
Yeah.
This is all unicorn, but the store lock where you want to go.
Alright guys, so we came to the top of the mall or whatever you want to call this place. and it's just beautiful. I like how they still use the glass here, I mean for safety, but also give you a complete viewing of where you are. So it's a vibe. It's a complete vibe. I can imagine how this place looks in the day, but in the night with the lights, fantastic. Oh, an observatory thing. Alright guys, so our usual cab service company that we use, they said something like no cabs. I'm guessing what they're saying is that I think certain areas where there's designated cabs all the time, they just won't go. And here at the entrance there's a cab waiting. He was taking someone else and he was like, yo, you need a cab? And he called someone else, so he's like, yo, 5 minutes time. So the service here is just like yeah, service in Mexico is great. Yeah. Taxi.
Gracias.
Ay.
Thank you.